and take a look at this, and those that are on Facebook Live, come on out here. We're out here all day. Take a look at this place. We have some great movies as well. This is really about getting to show off what an amazing theater this is. And of course, you know, we just voted on getting this thing going now with the partnership, the county, the city, TPR, and La Familia Cortez. We're well underway to begin an amazing project. Of course, this is our second movie showing here at the Alameda Theater. I specifically want to thank CCDO for making today very possible, and also for inviting so many great people here. We have food trucks. They have done a lot of work to clean this place up. So thank you so much to Center City Development Office for all their hard work. Can we give them a round of applause, please, because this is really a lot of work, a lot of partnership. Angela Martinez with Slab Cinema, thank you so much for making this possible as well, and Swank Movie Productions. And I also want to thank our partners, Centro, of course, they're great partners here downtown, and La Familia Cortez, helping to sponsor this, Lori Houston, our Assistant City Manager, but most of all, you guys. And so I'm just thrilled that you're here. You guys, this theater is yours. This theater is for you. I'm glad that you're here because one of the hopes that we get out of having these kind of showings is that you get to see the theater before we begin the work that we have ahead of us. But this is as we know, already an amazing theater with lots of great history. There's so much to preserve, to treasure, and to take care of. And so this is about who we are here in San Antonio. Our identity speaks to our culture, our heritage, and I'm glad to see that we have so many folks here today. Thank you so much for being here.